because you're tired.
Go home, my boy.
Who's gonna go home? Can you guys
Jay's
get
going home
closer?
first, remember? She didn't come till 1 and then
Closer.
said, hey, I'm gonna leave at 3. Just to mess with you guys.
Your hands are greasy.
Drop. So just rolled over her head. Did like a little cartwheel.
Drop the phone.
No.
Put it down.
She said no.
I wonder how Michelle's doing.
Where is Michelle?
People.
Already.
Can I get a refill of Pepsi?
Gabby.
And after that, we'll be ready.
After I'm gonna need a few more Pepsi. Just to ease my way in. Because you're a jerk. Sounds good.
Okay, can you guys get closer?
Get that thing away from me.
There's no reason to be embarrassed about it.
Get closer. Let's see Jay's reaction.
I really want to see her reaction when you put it on around her.
Oh my god, please.
Wait, don't do that, because that's how I punched her in the face before. She doesn't remember it, so it's okay. You do it.
There's a little white spot there, Chip.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Lift up your shirt. That's yours. Look right here. A little piece of fuzz.
Or something else, Henry.
Alright, forget it.
You.
Forget it. Just live like that.
With white stuff from you on your shirt.
Ow.
You have a napkin kind of shown on your shoulder.
Stop
This
it.
is getting awkward.